Hey, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. We want to start out by hitting search here. We're going to type in NVIDIA, which is NVDA. It's a pretty popular stock. Now we click on trade, then trade options. Now click on the up arrow for a long call. Now let's look for our expiration date, which is December the 20th in this case. So now we'll set or choose which strike price we want. In this case, we'll use $127 strike price. It'll cost us $11.65 a contract. Okay, here you type in the number of contracts you want to purchase. Right here is the limit price that you would type in. Usually try to type in somewhere in the middle between the ask and the sell price. And that usually will convert for you, but not all the time. Now click review and then swipe up. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. We appreciate all donations, and God bless. Thank you.